Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be going over my February subscription box, beauty boxes, and I got Ipsy, Birchbox, and Macy's. So stay tuned if you want to see more. So I'm going to be starting off with Ipsy, and it comes in a pink bag like this. It's a subscription for beauty samples. And this one is $10 a month. So for February, we have this Meta Shower by BLAQ, and I'm not sure what exactly this is. Okay, so it looks like this is a body scrub. So it's very different. I don't see this often in like the beauty subscription stuff, so that's pretty cool. And jumping right in, I see this OFRA long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is in the color, I'm not sure what color this is, but it is a really pretty pink mauvey color, so I'm really into that. And it says to use code Ipsy30 for 30% off of OFRA Cosmetics. So that's actually on the packaging itself. So that's pretty cool. I actually like a lot of the OFRA cosmetics, the actual cosmetics like brand. I really like it. I like their quality of makeup, so I definitely recommend that. And you get 30% off, that's awesome. So the next thing in here is this Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. And this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. Pretty packaging. It's a very subtle champagne-y color. And I'm not sure if you can see this swatch right here, but it's very, very, very subtle. It's not shimmery. It's more like a satin finish. So that's pretty cool. Okay, next thing in here is this BEAUTE Basics, and I'm not sure what it is. Maybe an eyeshadow. Looks like an eyeshadow, yes. So it looks like a chromy, like a rose gold-ish type of shadow. That's the little swatch right there. And in the back it says that it's a foiled eyeshadow, and it's in the color Lavish. It's very pretty. And the last thing in here is this brush, F.A.R.A.H brushes. Ooh, it's very, very soft. So that's the brush. So it's relatively on the larger side. It's very, very soft. Doesn't have like a weird smell to it or anything. Pretty sure that's everything that came in here, right? Yeah, so there are my 5 products from Ipsy. Sorry I am struggling today. I am on the struggle bus. Haven't filmed in a while, so sometimes you just kind of get out of the, oh, this is pretty. You get out of like the zone of filming, and then you kind of just like forget how to do it. But I promise that I'm gonna be doing my best to film more often because I really enjoy it, so why not? Okay, so next thing in here, or next one that I'm gonna be opening up is my Birchbox, and again, this is for February. So it always comes with like a little card insert with a description. This is also $10 a month, and let's just dive right in. So the first thing in here is this R+Co Park Avenue Blowout Balm, and they've actually sent me some of these hair products from this brand, and I actually really, really like it. So I'm gonna be testing this out. And I test a lot of my products on my social media, so I go on Snapchat or on Instagram, and I go onto my stories, and I just basically just show you what I'm using, what I'm liking, what I'm liking, what I'm not liking, you know, all that cool stuff. So if you're not following me on my Instagram or Snapchat, definitely go follow me. Okay, next up in here we have this Benefit BADgal Bang. So that's it there. And this is mascara. Yeah, tis mascara. I'm not gonna open it up because I'm not currently using mascara at the moment because I get my lashes done, which, let me tell you, I need to get my lashes done. I've just been so busy. Life is just happening like really hard right now. So I gotta go get my lashes done because if not, first of all, I look crazy. Second of all, my lash lady is gonna kill me. So yes, I will be doing that soon if you're watching. Okay, next thing in here is this Marcelle Hydra-C Eye Contour Gel Cream. So this is it right here. And I don't think I've used a lot of their products, their skincare or anything like that for Marcelle. I know I've received some, but I gotta be very, very careful with my skin because I have eczema. So super dry skin all the time, and it's not the best. It's not the best. It's very sensitive. Like a lot of stuff like that I put on my face, sometimes it burns. So you wanna stay away from that. The last thing, okay, no, the semi-last thing in here is this number 4. So it's N4 High Performance Hair Care Shampoo. So it's this right here. And then it comes with an also, it comes with the conditioner also. So that's what it looks like. And I think I've received this brand before too, and I've liked it. So that's that. Oh, the last thing in here is, this is called the Beauty Crop Wing Woman Liquid Liner. And I'm gonna keep it in its packaging as well because I'm not like using liner heavy right now because of the lashes, but I will be giving that away to one of my friends or my sister, my cousin, somebody that will actually get use of that. So if you guys are watching, let me know if you want it. Okay, lastly is my Macy's Beauty. It didn't break, I promise. It was just a liner. So the last thing in here is my beauty box from Macy's. And this is actually my favorite one to open up. So here we go. And it is the more expensive one. This one is $15 a month. But they always send you a $5 coupon in the mail with this box. That way, if you want to purchase something, then you already have the $5 discount. Okay, and here's a booklet that always comes with it. And here's my $5 coupon. So, ooh, for February, this is super cute. So this is the bag that came in the box. It says believe in yourself and then hashtag selfie. That's cute. And then it's always packaged in this pink paper. Okay, diving into this. The first thing I'm pulling out of here is this Fake Away from Tarte. I think, oh, it says it's an eye highlighter. So this is it right here. I don't know if you can see that, it's focusing, but ooh, okay. It's like a little eyeliner. So I'm assuming that you would put this like in your inner, like on your bottom eyeliner as, okay, wait, let me gather my thoughts real quick. Okay, so you put this in as your eyeliner. What the hell am I thinking? As eyeliner on the bottom, lash, eyeliner, whatever thing. I can't think, whatever, you know what I mean. Anyway, next up we have this Dior Lip Glow Backstage Lip Balm. And that's a sample size. Next, we have this Ultimate Miracle Worker from Philosophy, and this is an eye powder treatment, fill and firm. So this is very interesting. Huh. Wonder how this is gonna work. Okay, so it looks like an actual cream. That powder to, oh, okay, so it's eye powder treatment. I don't know. I'm gonna check it out. Check out my Insta. I'm gonna try it out there and see what's going on with that. Next, we have this Vitalizing I'm Real Rose Mask. It's a sheet mask, and I love sheet masks. I live for them. I use them all the time. I really enjoy them. So if you haven't tried them, try them. It's super, super fun, and it can also be used to scare your significant other. I scare my boyfriend all the time. Okay, next we have this It Cosmetics cleanser, and It Cosmetics is renowned for their products. Like, they're very well known. They're very good products, very good, high quality. So I definitely recommend it. And last but not least, there is a perfume sample from Coach. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Okay, I got everything. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and share and like and all of that good stuff. Comment down below, what was your favorite thing from February? I know I'm a little bit late, but I don't like to put this video out too early anyway, just in case, you know, other people want to get surprised by what they're getting and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.